Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We want to verify if x plus 1 equals x, we have solution. Then let's verify. First, we have x plus 1 equals x. So from here, when we collect the like term, so we are going to have from here x minus x. Then we are going to take this one here to be minus 1. X minus x here is 0, and this is minus 1. So from here, the left hand side does not equal to the right hand side. So this is not equal. And if this side is not equal to this side, it implies that we have no solution. So from here, we can say we have no solution. So therefore, x plus 1 equals x has no valid solution.